Hello and welcome to my first new YouTube video in quite a while. So as you can see, I have moved again. That means most of my stuff is not set up yet, but I do have a basic desk set up, and I will do a full set tour once I get everything set up. But for now, I wanted to do just a pretty basic YouTube video, which is installing OpenIndiana, which is an Illumos distribution, and Illumos is derived from OpenSolaris, on this computer, my T530, and hopefully with the intention of daily driving this machine, at least at my desk. This does have the battery whitelist and an unofficial battery, which means that I need to figure out how to remove the battery whitelist. But that will be a task for a later time. So, yeah, let's start it up. Move from the flash drive, escape. Hit enter to load multi-user. And this should boot just directly into the desktop, which is Mate. Default is English. Oh, that was an impressively quick boot up. But yeah, let's see. Let's look at the device driver utility, because in theory everything should be just supported, but I would imagine that I might still need to install some things after the fact. And yes, for those wondering, I do use a trackball. Let's see what the driver issue is. Pretty sure that's a management engine, so we really wouldn't lose anything by not installing a driver for it. Next. Use the whole disk. Now this is definitely a change for the eagle-eyed among you. Given that I've moved, I've changed time zones. English default language support. Let's see. Everything looks good, so we are off to the races. So, installation has completed, so let's hit reboot. drive now because I do not need it. Escape as always. And this is just doing standard Solaris first boot stuff. If you've done anything with Solaris 10 or 11, or even older versions of OpenSolaris, this loading SMS service descriptions is something that is entirely normal for it to do first time. And, you know, OpenIndiana is actually also bootable on UltraSpark platforms. So that might actually be something for me to try eventually, is booting it on one of my UltraSpark machines, because I have two in my Ultra 5, which sits right here, and then my Ultra 1, which is about a few feet away. The Ultra 1 has no frame buffer though, so if I want to do anything graphical, I would be better off trying with my Ultra 5. So previously I had OpenIndiana installed on my ThinkPad X61S, and this is actually using the SSD that I had OpenIndiana installed on from that. But this should give a much better experience because it is multiple generations newer in terms of processor, and has 3 times the RAM. So yeah, I am going to do my standard thing where I configure it however I like, and I'll be back. And hopefully I can get to use my second display, because right now the display is showing nothing. So yeah, I'll be back. So I have completed my setup of my OpenIndiana system. There are a few limitations. I can't use Discord, and Firefox complained about some codecs, but I have other computers for that anyway. But yeah, so I am just going to pull up a terminal right here, and yes, I did get the second monitor working. And here we have the system information. So yeah, I thank you very much for watching. This was just a quick little video installing OpenIndiana on my T530. I have more plans for videos to come, and I look forward to recording those. I hope everyone has a good night.